Hello, Aslam here from Flux, and that's the lecture number 18. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the basics of funnels. So in this lecture, we are going to design a funnel, basic funnel, and we are going to learn about the basic structure of funnel. In the previous video, I have discussed these all features. So right now, I'm going to click on add it here. So in the first step, we are going to discuss about the layers. Layers mean basically a pages. We have like home page, like we have different step, and here we have pop-ups. That pop-up will be appear on our page, but right now I'm not going to add any pop-up here. And if you want to add pop-up in your funnels, just you simply go here and you will add here in a just 1 and 2 click. And here we have pages or steps. Right now we have only one page, that's home. And after that we have a tracking code here. You can add on a tracking code on a backend. You can also add on tracking code here as well in a header, footer, wherever you want to add. It's a super easy, just go and add here. And after that we have custom CSS. That's the most usable functions of funnel design that we are going to use most for improving our design or making our design more beautiful. So we are going to use custom CSS for our some sections. And here we have some typography like fonts, font size, font colors, font link colors. Here you can play with it and you can change according to your needs about the typography. And here we have some backgrounds. For example, right now if you want to add on a whole funnel background, right now it's a white, I'm just make it a red, and just make it a red. And right now I'm going to put in a back white, and that's a playable with the background. And here we have just pop up again. We have in layers, we have here as well. And here we have some SEO stuff, and I will discuss another video how you can use them for SEO purpose. Here we have some basic custom code preview, if you can add custom HTML CSS stuff. And here we have cookies, if you can enable cookies for this page, and it will be when someone open the page and it will be pop up there, and they ask for the enable a cookies. And here we have column mode, and here we have some auto stuff, but not going to put auto here. I'm just going the two columns. One is this one in our detail settings, and other one is this one. So here we have different pages as well. If you have pages, just simply go and click and change your pages if you want to change. And here we have just a mobile version of the page, how your funnels look in a mobile, you can see here. And here we have just revisions that you made 2 seconds ago, 3 seconds ago. It's simply you can go back and revision, go back and just simply revert it. It will be back on your page. And also we have some publish icon here, and here we have some settings of setting area of this area. And right now I'm going to discuss this plus icon. That's the main feature we are going to use for designing funnel. Here we have some sections, and here we have some rows. We can utilize section, we can utilize rows, and we can utilize elements as well to design our complete funnel. Here we have some global function, global section. If you design a section and you can use on a multiple funnels, so you can make your global section. And here we have section template. You can make templates later for later use. And here we have some widgets that we can improve our designing, and we can add some more things to improve our design. Here we have it's like a plugin, like a WordPress plugin, so it's similar like that. And here we have some built-in section that we can utilize for our page. For example, we are going to use this section. It's super easy, just drag and drop here, and here you can see we just import this section here. And here we have some button design. For example, we are going to use this button, simply drag and drop, and you can utilize this button. It's a super easy drag and drop. We can design our complete funnel in a while, so you will learn about all things. For example, I'm going to use this one. I don't need this one, is super easy, and I will say this one, and this one is. And here we have also a button, we can play with them. And here we have some social icons, we can use them. And here we have some countdowns, timers. Right now this not appear, it's another section, I will show you later. And here we have some images section that we can utilize. For example, you to circle image, you can use this. If you want to use this radius image, you can use this one. these are a different image, you can utilize them. For example, I want to use the circle image, simply go here and replace your image here. So that's it. And here we have some progress bar. You can utilize this according to your design. For example, I can use this and we can play within them features as well. So these are basically main sections we are going to use and we are going to utilize for our funnel and for our funnel designing procedure. So yeah, that's the basic features of GoHighLevel for funnel design. And in the next section we are going to make some sections and make some columns and add some elements and play with these functionality as well. So let's meet in a next video. And if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to LeadFlex, book free consultation, and I will guide you how you can manage your, I will design landing page and websites for you as well. And here you can see portfolio as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.